is on a visit to Assam and Meghalaya today to review the progress of several development projects in the region. Chief Economics Commentator at an English daily Financial Times, Martin Webb, has estimated India to be a superpower by 2007. The Central Bureau of Investigation has arrested a man called Rakesh Ranjan alias Rocky, who is believed to be the kingpin in the newspaper case. He has been sent to the CBI custody for 10 days. India and Bhutan have agreed to work together in the areas of climate change, air quality, forests, wildlife management, and capacity building in the field of environment and climate change. Central forces will implement a 10% reservation for ex-Agniveers. Amid debate over the Agnivad scheme, the Central forces have announced that they will implement a 10% reservation